going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2019 Hyundai Tucson. It's probably the same for about the 2015 all the way up to the 2019. All you have to do pretty much is pick up your windshield wipers like this. You'll see this part right here. That's like the little part you can pick up. Take this, pop that up like that. As you can see, what I did was I just popped up like that. And once you do that, you want to take the windshield wiper itself, this part, and press down on it like that. And once you have it down, you kind of want to turn like that and pull it out like that. Then when you get your new windshield wipers, they may be just like this. You want to pop that piece up like that. Take the arm of your windshield wiper, kind of stick it in straight, and then curve it down until it's level like that. Then take this piece right here, and then when it's all the way down, you should be able to pop it down just like that, and you'll have your new windshield wipers on. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2019 Hyundai Tucson. It's probably the same from about the 15 up to the 19. All right, please check out our other helpful videos and please subscribe. Thanks.